Okay, so we're gonna check if this.
The marlin, the bottlenose,
Ooh, which one should we do?
the wildebeest,
Wildebeest. Let's do that one.
the gazelle, the elk, the antelope.
Ooh, eagle, condor, owl, fountain,
Eagle.
oak, willow, redwood, chestnut,
Oh,
hickory.
look at the eagle.
What eagle? Ooh, that. Ooh, should we do that one?
Fighter jet planes, dark paper planes.
So, this
Delta
one is
wings. What are the delta
the
wings?
simple
Flying
one.
wings. Stealth
You know.
paper airplanes. Stealth paper airplanes.
Stealth.
Exotic paper airplanes. Starship. Classified paper
The
planes.
stealth.
Albatross.
Whoa.
Kingfisher. Oh, look at the kingfisher. It's
Ooh,
easy. Look at it.
very easy. And then this one is the dart. Oops.
You will like this one. Because it's nice.
Dart. Okay, this one's
Okay,
gonna be
this
easy
first
peasy.
Get paper. All right.
Easy.
Let's do this one.
Just don't play the videos. It's just a picture.
Hmm. The heck? What is this?
Wait. This one's good too.
Huh? What?
Look for the right one.
Anyways. God.
Just difficulty.
Difficulty is easy.
Start with medium heavy.
That's just
Fold the
normal.
paper half
Okay.
half along its short edge. Then fold the crease after the crease has been
Half
made.
long, it's short edge.
What the heck does that mean?
This.
Oh.
Folding it like this.
Rotate the paper around so the center crease line is vertical. No, wait.
There we go. I know you like this one. This one's the best.
I think it meant like do a triangle.
Cameron,
You know?
Unfold after that crease has been made.
Then make a triangle or something.
better. It's calm. Well, it gets hard.
Pretty sure we did something wrong or something. Well,
This is too hard.
yeah, it doesn't. 50 paper airplanes.
Oh wait, that's the one we just did.
List of best paper airplanes. Ooh, what's the dragon paper?
I mean the smallest in the tail.
Ooh,
Oh yeah, here we go.
easy.
Yeah.
Let's fold it. So we gotta fold it like this.
Just forget that half crease.
Because we just moved.
And then we just make the triangles.
Okay, this one's good too.
Emily, play sands.
Yeah, play sands. Why not?
Okay.
Dating beautiful Russians. What?
This one's kind of cool, I guess. Which one is this one?
Dummy.
Yeah. How come they all have it? Because, well, that's the guy who does it.
Now you have to fold this.
This is Natalie's favorite.
It's pretty great though.
My favorite is finale.
Finale is scary.
Not really.
Yes, it is.
Man.
Sounds like you're walking through a horror house or something.
Really? I'm pretty sure that's your best nightmare.
No, I don't like finale.
Why don't
I
you?
just don't like it.
Now you have to do that whenever that is.
This one's my favorite.
Of course it is, Emily. Of course it is. God, this is so hard.
When you bump up and down.
God.
I think we're done now. Because this is practically the same thing.
Okay, we're gonna do a movie. Oh wait, we need a paper airplane to be in a plane crash.
This
We need
plane
you
flies
guys to be in a
very
plane
well.
Crash and throw the plane
This
for
plane flies very well indoors.
Okay, there will be massive plane
Nice.
crash.
Okay.
God, this is the most dense paper airplane ever.
Okay, so let's see. Let's
The
do this.
dragons.
The
They-
dragon paper. Whoa.
It's very fast.
Yeah, very fast. As it said, it flies well indoors. But it's useless outdoors because the slightest breeze may make it crash. It flies for a really long distance.
This does not fly for a really long distance.
True.
I'm pretty sure I messed up or something.
How about, let's see.
Yeah, let's gather all
Paper helicopter, what's this? Ooh, this one.
Which one?
This one.
That one requires scissors. We're only doing folding.
Guys, we're gonna make a movie about a plane crash. And we're gonna need a paper
The
airplane.
swallow, what's this?
Guys,
Ooh.
if we're gonna make a movie about a plane crash, we need
Cut
a
the
paper
tail
airplane. Make the best paper airplane you can.
We're making the swallow. Because it actually looks like a swallow of some sort.
Okay, then we'll use that for the movie.
Now you have to fold it diagonally like this.
Also, I can do this on my movie.
We gotta cut the tail.
Yep. That's the only thing that... Oh, this part looks hard.
Yes.
Oh, I remember when we did
Let's do
Super
something
Kids.
else, shall we?
Guys,
The
wanna
Cobra.
see Super Kids?
Wait,
I want to. It's a movie. It's a
Eh.
movie.
I'm pretty sure that's just... Yeah. Flying
The
fish.
trapezoid.
Part 1. And then
Trapezium. Ooh! That looks really
yeah,
cool.
I drew this picture, and we put it as
So you have to fold it in like an X.
yeah. Super Kids.
Super Kids sort of sounds... Sorry, but sort of...
These are.
We were 7 or some around that age.
Oh, so you didn't really know?
You like superhero. I knew it.
I know, I'm just joking. I was like, I don't know, 10 or
You know,
something.
our Ranger scooter, you drive. You don't even need to push it. You just, it's like a motorbike, but it's a scooter. It goes really fast. No.
And then now you should.
I messed up. I messed
So
up.
we can easily beat it.
Let's do a different one. This one's too hard.
Okay.
Um,
Oops. The worst paper airplane. Let's see what that one is.
so
It's truly terrible.
No, it's not.
yeah, that's
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
very cool.
We already did the second step. We sort of...
The worst. We'll title this one the worst.
Yeah, just the worst. Fold the sheet in half further.
Oh, I see what they did there.
So our friend Charlie.
Let's see if it is actually the worst. Now you have to like fold it.
So this is the evil, his evil brother. Yeah, he had chicken
And then we don't have to staple, right?
fake fighting.
Now you have to fold it 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
Yeah, it's been a little work, but it's not actually.
You know what? It's just a little bit hard.
Then there's Super Kids Part 2. It's the next thing. You got it. Okay.
Okay, so let's see how bad it actually is.
That's his brother. Why are they climbing? Why are you guys climbing a tree? We'll train.
Now you have to fold that up. Yeah. So let's see how bad it actually is.
It's really the worst.
Yeah.